Thanksgiving Mass to Heavenly Father, Immaculate Heart of Mother Mary, Saint Joseph, San Narciso, and Senior San Benigno, for all the grace we receive. Petition for the good health of Sherry Morales and family. Thanksgiving Mass to Our Lady of Fatima, Senior San Benigno, Saint Joseph, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, Holy Trinity, Saint Ambrose, Saint Augustine, Saint Clare, Santa Rita, San Antonio de Padua, Santiago de Apostol, San Vicente Ferrer, Reverend Sarita, Holy Family, Sacred Heart of Jesus, all the angels and saints in heaven, for all the graces and blessings received, good health, knowledge and wisdom, safety, protection, personal intentions of Arsenal family, Holy Mass, for the recovery of Anita Fawcett, personal petitions of Grace Alonso, third birthday of Jacob Marie and Lucas Manuel, for the good health of the whole family, safety, protection, enlightenment, guidance, and wisdom, safe travel of Carmel, Mamitra, and her children, Ara, Hans, and Maria, Torah, and for companions from Thailand back to Cebu, Mass for our fasting and complete recovery of those things in the other. Mass offered for safe travel to US and back to their parents. And also for the souls of Teresita, Luis, Viviana, Bienvenida, Roger, Robelen, Elise, Charlie, Royce, Robertson, Vivian, Delia, Joseph, Rogeline, Jesus, Narciso, Bartolome, Maxima, Daigay, Rosina, Ann, Pedro Senior, Pedro Junior, Pedro, Petronilo, Jaime, Renato, Ricardo, Adolfa, Marcelino, Asterio, Aquilina, Wilfredo, Romanito, Segovina, Jaime, Eustaquia, Demetria, Biancho, Crescentiano, Laudilino, Joseph Celestino, Teresa, Virgilio, Valeriano, Fidel, Jano, Stefano,